Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a simple background music player. First, ensure your device is fully charged or connected to a power source for uninterrupted listening. Then, locate and open the music player application on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Finally, connect your preferred audio output, such as headphones or external speakers, to enjoy clear sound. These initial steps take less than 1 minute. Once the player is open, navigate through your music library. You can easily browse by artist, album, or even specific genres to find exactly what you are in the mood for. Simply tap on a song title to start playing it instantly. For longer listening sessions, create a custom playlist by adding your favorite tracks. This allows for hours of uninterrupted enjoyment. Controlling your music is straightforward. You can adjust the volume using the on-screen slider, typically found at the bottom or side of the player, or by using your device's physical volume buttons. Use the prominent play and pause buttons to manage playback. Skip forward or backward one track with the dedicated arrow buttons. You can also activate shuffle for a random song order or repeat for endless loops. To further enhance your listening, explore advanced features. Many players offer an equalizer, allowing you to fine-tune bass, treble, and other audio frequencies to your preference. Consider setting a sleep timer if you listen before bed. The music will automatically fade out after a set number of minutes, perhaps 30 or 60. Remember, you can minimize the player and continue enjoying your background music while using other applications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.